In agriculture, mostly cold water high-pressure cleaners are used. The Karcher HD Super class features a water-cooled motor which raises the temperature of the feed water slightly in the low-pressure mode. The large built-in water filter protects the high-pressure pump from impurities. Vehicles and machines, but stalls too, are usually cleaned without detergents. Tractor cleaning is therefore performed from the top downwards. Sensitive components such as tires or window seals are cleaned at reduced pressure in order to avoid damage. Applying a spray wax at low pressure after cleaning helps protect and preserve tractors and machines. This is recommended before the onset of winter in particular. Cleaning animals is particularly important for the farmer when new animals are put in the stalls. The water-cooled motor in the most powerful cold water high-pressure cleaner heats the water a little for cleaning pigs and cows, for example. The animals are happiest when they're rinsed down carefully with the wide fan jet nozzle in the low-pressure mode.